Galatuma maqaa saboota Itoophiyaa kan naannoo kana jiranii fi maqaa hiddaasee komiteetiin yeroo kabajamoota keenya biyyaa dhufanii asitti nu arguuf isaanii walitti qabamnu gammachuu jabatuun dhaga'ama. Isaanis akka gammadan abdii guutuu qabna. As a matter of fact, this is a very great time that we are welcome them in the name of all Ethiopian nations and nationalities and the Renaissance committees, and we are very happy to receive them, and they will be between us to share all what we are dreaming for, and they are very they will be surprised how we prepared for the first time at the unity, not only by the ethnic but by all Ethiopian nations and nationalities. They will be surprised for that. Particularly Abba Dula Gammada, when he came first time, he saw those where we are scattered. Today, he will see we are united, structured organization. We're able to form a Renaissance committee, and Hiddaase Mikr. This is a great time. I'm welcoming them in the name of all those organizations. This is the beginning. They will be surprised to see good things, and we are very happy to receive you.
Sofida, Ungara,